Hello again, people. Right, it's Saturday morning, and I've just mentioned a tweet, or just tweeted about inside bars. You know, weekly, it's the weekend, so good time to check your charts for weekly inside bars. And daily, at the end of the day, you could check your charts for daily inside bars. It's quite a big thing. But what a lot of people don't realise is that if you're entering the breakout of a sorry, I've got to get rid of these lines on here, they're annoying me. If you're entering the breakout of a inside bar, considering trading the breakout of the high and the low, you're getting in the trade late. There is just no need, like as with any bar, as losing pip Phil says, a bar in its own right is a range and it can be traded as such. But if we put the support and the resistance on that particular weekly bar and then put our new open here, we can look at the internal structure of all of this, to be honest with you, and see how we could have attacked either the high or the low. In this case, obviously, hindsight tells us the low was attacked, but not really, a bit of a no-brainer really. The RSI histo, my beloved RSI histo, had turned red with that inside bar, so it was a bearish inside bar, you could say. Doesn't mean a lot, but it's got to be the first box to be ticked. And then we can clearly see what happened in the previous week and then what happens in this week. Interesting to notice, you have got 7 days to a cryptocurrency week, Bitcoin, which is really lovely. It means we can practice our charting and practice price action, and Bitcoin and the other coins are price action on steroids, which is even better. So looking at this, what can we learn from this? Well, we could draw a ascending trend line. Whoops. Like that. If you've watched any of my videos, you know I prefer them on the line chart, and best way to get the latest reversal sort of area is connecting the latest levels that you can find, you should know by now this is a valid level only when that high is broken by price, because that has created support that has forced the buyers above old sellers. Okay, you can see how it's been sort of respected there as well, and then once we've broken this low, we can connect that as a valid level too. And obviously you can attack those levels with the lower time frame candle analysis. But interesting to notice, you've also got old minor resistance, because it hasn't really created a lower low, as minor support, because it didn't break that high. It would be major support if it had broken that high, and it would be a real you would expect to be tough to get through that level, but making lower highs, and in this instance here lower lows now, and as you can see there was the attack of the level. So drop down to H4. Well, let's go back to the candles on this. 3 candle reversal, what we call an internal one, because there's a daily 2 candle, penultimate high, ultimate high, got broken and closed through here with Aaron's brilliant indicator. You can find that if you search on my Twitter feed or on Aaron's feed, of course, and then attack these levels using the lower time frame. So we would have attacked that level using H4, H1, and it goes on. So the lower time frames to attack these other levels, much the same as we're using the lower time frames to attack this weekly level. And rather than waiting for this to break, pullback, continuation, you can trade to the levels. No different than trading, as I say, the internal lower time frame 3 CRs to get down to break that level too. So trends within trends, 3 CRs within 3 CRs, 2B reversal patterns, 1, 2, 3 reversal patterns. It's all about horizontal levels on your candles, and then using the low time frame 3CRs and this beautiful fantastic RSI Histo alert with the settings set to 8. And oddly enough, I tested the RSI 8 compared with 14 on a lot of breakout EAs and stuff like that, and the 8 works far better. The reason I've chosen 8 as well prior to testing it was because it matches perfectly with the 3 candle reversals. You know, a 3 candle reversal, just a simple one off the cuff here. This red candle, that lower low, the high of that gets broken. Lo and behold, we have a nice momentum trigger. Bust up, pull back, break and close up. So that's why the RSI is on the 8, and that's how we trade. Inside bars, outside bars, you name it. Don't wait for the breakouts, H4 breakouts, whatever you want to trade. Use the 3 candle reversal to attack those significant levels, and that's the significant high, that's the significant low in this instance. Okay, thanks for watching, have a great weekend.